Alrighty guys, I'm at this used car lot. Okay, my buddy wanted me to come over and check out. He got a Chrysler 300 with some ticky noise. Go figure. Alright, and y'all know the drill. He want me to shut it up. That's all he want me to do. So I'm gonna go in here and see, take a listen to it. See if today's Sunday. I ain't got no tools or nothing with me. So, but while I'm here, guys, I'm gonna walk around the lot. He said, well, he gonna meet me out here. I don't even see a Chrysler 300. But this is a shorts video, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna wait till you get out here. But for now, I see his little help right here. Hey, can I look around for a minute? Can I look around for a minute? Ooh, look at that Altima. So, oh my goodness, I'm out of time. This is a shorts video. Here go a Toyota Tundra. Y'all, it's an all-wheel drive though. Man, y'all stay tuned for a long video. Alrighty guys, y'all caught some of that. I'm at Zam's used car lot. I'm out here to check out hey, look at this. What y'all know about this, man? Yeah, guys, nobody on earth, this side of earth, have a scan tool now to work on this Crossfire. Some of them equipped with a stick transmission, some of them equipped with a 5-speed nag transmission, automatic. But yeah, since my buddy Jimmy Vaughn left and opened his own high performance shop, we don't see these at the shop hardly anymore. However, you need some kind of special funky scan tool. This was in the Chrysler family. It's nice. Look at that. Whew, I gotta take a picture about that. But I'm here. No, these are not 300s. He said a Chrysler 300. These are Chargers. Okay, now these are on the front. This is the front line, guys, next to the street. So they're gonna put the best product out here so it can be seen and possibly get sold. So these, likely nothing wrong with these. This GMC. Man, dude, that is a turn off for me. I don't know how you guys feel about all-wheel drive, but oh my goodness, just more. Well, we're here in Georgia, so maybe somebody gonna buy it and leave Georgia. There's never no ice, never no snow, but you got a vehicle equipped with all this unnecessary stuff that could give you problems. Uh-oh, I see dual exhaust. Charger with a Hemi in it. Oh, it ain't gonna show it, just show as is, but 2015, I can almost guarantee you this is a V6. I don't know what this stuff costs, guys. I don't know what's the going rate, going market. Uh-oh, I see a Corvette over here. But hey, look at this little beauty here. I want to do all the accessories come with it. The little rims, cute little rims. That's so cute. V8, damn. How they squeeze a V8 in this thing? Very nice, very nice. All right, dude, I ain't got all day. You got to come on, man. This is a nice one too, guys. This one, in my opinion, should be up front. Okay, what I mean by up front, this one need to be put up front to be seen. Okay, I guess if you're on the streets and you ride by, you can see that. And it will, tickle your fancy. But I can't even, guys, I'm in a bubble. I'm sorry. I have no idea what this emblem, somebody call this out for me. I have no idea what that emblem stands for. So, let me see, can I call it up front? Yeah, another B. Bentley? I don't freaking know. All right, somebody call this out for me in the comment. I promise you. I've been in a bubble so long. I know some of you guys can look at y'all can look at this and tell what it is. Some of y'all can look at the grill. Like this says Mercedes, so this is Mercedes. I'm just not there yet. I can't just look at the grill and tell you what kind of freaking car this is. I see a big old B. The only car I know to start with a B is Bentley. And I highly don't think that's a Bentley. Uh-oh. Yeah. Look at this beauty right here. That is nice. Okay. Yeah, this one should be on the front line too. I guess if you're driving down the street, you can see it. Yeah. What y'all think? Yeah, baby. Oh, look at the little cutie. Okay, this is this some they got it washed up detail. Oh, it's Fiat. Yeah, I recognize this. I used to see these cars in the training center all the time. Ooh, kind of tiny, man. Not much room. Guys, I ain't got Nissan. Where you at, Fluff Dog? Fluffy Mexicanic. What you know about this, man? What is it? It's an Altima. It's a typical Altima. Hey, now we talking. I got one of these, I bought mine brand new in 2017. Uh-oh. Why's the hood up? Uh-oh. Y'all know me. I gotta be nosy. Ta-da! Uh-oh. They got problems, guys. All they gotta do is call me. I'll tell them. Guys, look at this. I know I ain't supposed to do this, but look at this. I'm finna make a short video on this right quick. All right? So, y'all hold tight. I'm finna make just this instant right now. I'm finna stop and make a short video and dog this car lot out. If the car lot did it, car lot may didn't do it, but I'm about to dog this out. But let me finish up this long video and I'm gonna come back to this. I'm just about done, so y'all stay tuned for that show. I'm not playing. I'm trying to teach y'all that that's not cool. Sticking screws inside of these newer model cars, interrupting the battery connection is terribly dangerous, man. You can brick your whole electrical system and cause you to have a no start and everything else. Well, guys, I'm at my peak time. I'm done. Let me take a picture about this nice, pretty Crossfire, and we out. All right, hold tight. Yeah, baby. Freaking beauty. I see that? That's a Crossfire. Woo, that's a nice one. All right, guys, let's go back over here and talk about this Cherokee. All right, that's all I have, man. Stay tuned for this short. I ain't playing, I'm serious. Hashtag short. All right, guys, I'm at a car lot. I'm here to check out a Chrysler 300 for a guy. It's ticking. He want me to shut it up. That's all my job is to do, is to shut it up. However, while I'm here waiting on him, I come over here and see a Cherokee with the hood up. Actually, I let the hood up. And guys, what do I notice? Y'all see that? Don't be doing that. How many times I gotta tell y'all, this is not cool. Guys, poor connection at the battery on a car this sophisticated could brick your car, could send your whole electrical system in haywire and brick it. You won't be able to start it, won't be able to shift gears, you won't be able to do nothing. So I advise you to don't. Simple, Scotty Kilmore, don't do that. Don't stick a damn screw. Oh my goodness, just get another terminal. This is replaceable. Or just get another battery with the proper size head on it. Oh my goodness, stop this. All right, I'm done picking on them. All right, it's supposed to be for sale, but I hope they got to fix it first. Guys, that's all I have, man. I just wanted to highlight that. Thanks for watching.